Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your OnePay debit card in store at Walmart. First, make sure your OnePay debit card is activated. To do that, open the OnePay app on your phone, go to the card section, and follow the activation prompts. You may be asked to set a PIN. Once your card is active, you're ready to head into Walmart. When you arrive at Walmart, pick out your items and head to the checkout register. At the register, let the associate know you will be paying with your OnePay debit card. When the cashier scans your items, the screen will prompt you for payment. Insert or tap your OnePay card depending on whether the card has a chip or contactless option. If the card supports contactless, you can tap it on the payment reader. If it only has a chip, you'll insert it and leave it in the slot until prompted to remove. Next, you'll be asked to enter your PIN on the keypad. Use the PIN you set in the OnePay app. After entering the PIN, confirm the amount and hit Enter or OK on the terminal. The payment will process and you'll see a confirmation message on the screen. Take your receipt if you want. Thanks for watching.